I want to show you another Filipino dish. This is called bistek, which is just basically thinly sliced pieces of beef with onions, lemon, pepper, and soy sauce with some water. And then you eat it with rice. Very simple, very quick, very delicious. I want to show you these homemade egg rolls. They're made with pork. They're the authentic Filipino egg rolls. You see a lot of egg rolls, but these are like the actual kind of authentic Filipino egg rolls with carrots, pork, onion. Very, very yummy. And the key is to deep fry them because that's how you get the crispiness of the egg roll. Yummy. Yummy. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Ellie. Are you okay?
What?
Watch out. Oh, let's see. Oops. It's 129 for fossil. 129. That's crazy. Lulu 50. We have Miami Glow by JLo. That's like a really good scent. iPod for 35. We have Juicy Couture. We have some wigs. A Guess wallet for $60. Oh my god. Everything here is like so overpriced. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, I like those. Yeah, they're cute. $40. What is this? Danye. No, it's made in Italy. Oh.
I know.
I thought that was fancy. This is actually a cute bag, but it's so expensive. It's made in Italy. It's a nice leather bag, but $40 is kind of too much. This one is $30. What is this? I'm wearing my Yeezys today. Sporting the Yeezys. What is this? $19.99. And I'm also using the bag that I thrifted, the Margot bag. Cuteness. If anybody wants it, make me an offer. It's cute. I like it. It's like a very... Is this Fendi? No way. It can't be real. This can't be Fendi. How the hell do you open it? Figure it out. $4.99 for this? It's not bad. Can you believe they want like $130 for that Fossil bag? That's like insane. That's like insane pricing. Like this Value Village is probably notorious for being super overpriced, like super. Dooney & Bourke, hey. Authentic Dooney & Bourke, but not really a cute style. I mean, made in USA. Inside is like raw leather. It has a Dooney & Bourke label, but it's kind of ripped. The label's kind of ripped, and it's really raw. I don't know. Don't know if they like that bag. It's just kind of basic for 20 bucks. Solidly made though, really solidly made. What is this? Leather. I don't think this Fendi is authentic, just based on like the label inside looks a little sloppy. But I don't know, maybe vintage Fendi can be sloppy. I don't know if you can see that. See? And look at the way the labels are fixed. It doesn't look like it would be authentic Fendi. Outfit of the day, we have our Yeezys. Kind of dirty underneath now because it was raining. We have our leggings from Pennington's. The bag that we thrifted from Value Village. My Vampire Diaries top. Yeah. And the Margot bag. The Margot bag. It looks like. Okay, let's try and find some Longchamp if we can. Oh, they have a Herschel. How much is this? $10.99? That's not bad actually. What bag is this? Bullish. And that Aritzia bag that was like $50. That's ridiculous, to be honest. No Longchamp today. Neutrogena. Oh, these are from like the hotels. Lavender. Coconut. So I'm going to try on this from Torrid, which is cute, and this from Torrid, which is cute. I'm going to try those two on. I'm going to try this on too. It's cute.
Videotaping. You have to keep holding the phone, and I run in. Ashley, you don't stop.
Windy.